Outlook integration for Keyfile Workspace allows you to automatically store mail messages held in public folders in Exchange directly into Keyfile containers. In order to get this working, you need to do a few things first. Outlook integration isn't provided on the CD anymore, so you have to download the Exchange folder.zip from the Keyfile support site or use the one on the root of this CBT. Extract the contents of this folder into a directory on your workstation. Here you can see I've extracted it, and I have an administration directory which contains my programs, and the one you're looking for is kfadmin. I also have an exchange folder.doc file which describes the functionality and the method for configuration. I also have an event script which works with Exchange Server, and you must copy the ASP file in this directory into the admin directory in order for Outlook integration to function. Next, we need to create a dedicated user that is going to process objects from Exchange into Keyfile Workspace and allocate a file cabinet to that user. I've also allocated this file cabinet to a super user, and here we see in Explorer the Keyfile Workspace, the file room, and a special cabinet I've used for this presentation. You can see that the contents is empty at the moment. Next, we need to ensure that we have permissions in Microsoft Exchange. So go to the Exchange Administrator and go to System Folders and the Event Config root for your server. Select Properties and Client Permissions. If the default is Owner, then this will work satisfactorily. However, whoever it is that you're going to use as a profile host needs to be an effective owner of this so that they can create and modify and delete items in this directory. Next, we need to create a public folder in Outlook. Here you can see I've created one called Outlook Integration for the purposes of this presentation, but also I have a special property. This is the Agents tab. This is not a default tab that you receive, but the machine on which you set this up must have this Agents tab enabled. I'll show you how to get hold of it. Simply go to Tools, Options, and depending on the version, Other and Advanced options to go to the Add-in Manager. Here you can see I've already got server scripting available. If you don't have server scripting available, you can install it by using the script extension.ecf file. This must be enabled, otherwise event scripting will not work at all.